A very important topic for your upcoming NET examination, federated learning. Now note, this is nothing related to teaching aptitude, but it is a concept which is related to computers. So understand that at the first go. Now, federated learning is also called as collaborative learning, and this is an approach in which machine learning models are used to decentralize the data. So let's say there are 10 different items which are there. So each set would learn its own AI. So there are 10 different sets and each of them would learn their own AI. So the client base on each of the set would be operational. They would be enhancing their skills and locally storing the data, processing the data, and once that is done, the central server would be updated as and required with only the changes that are needed. So the complete set of AI model would not change. Only the new updates would be pushed into the system, and that's really important. So instead of each client computing an update and transferring it to the global update, only the important changes can be maintained in the server, and all the updates which can bring in changes to the existing model can be pushed in. So there is a single data set which is operating all the AI models, and with this single data set or the data warehouse or data lake, what it is called as, the updates can be absorbed from different aspects, and this allows to learn collaboratively across devices. So understand, very important thing, the concept of federated learning is not related to teaching aptitude, not related to classroom learning, but it is a process of collaborative learning for machine learning models, where the artificial intelligence across the various models are being learned, and each client age, each set, each data set, each computer is working separately, and the changes which are being brought are being absorbed, identified, and passed on to the main server, which would assimilate all those updates and drive it back to the computers, telling them that this is the new AI model that you have to work on. But this makes the AI model much more reliable, because you have a huge data set which is being brought, a huge set of updates which is being brought and amalgamated, and it enhances the process of machine learning. So a very important topic, highly important from the section on computing, and we'll be covering many such topics in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned. Thank you.